Hey guys, it's your girl Esta, aka Bunny, aka Bun Bun, aka Bun, aka Buns. Quick question. I know that type 4 hair, majority of us type 4 hair had canceled coconut oil. Is it still canceled? Because it was drying to my hair, my loose natural hair, and I started using it about like 2 weeks ago, and my hair likes it. I don't understand. I can't explain it. Are you guys still using coconut oil on the DL? I don't know. Is it still canceled? Do you still use it? Let me know. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the flip side. Bye.